Today I have discussed about the change of state. That is our topic today. What is change of state and what do you mean by change of state? We get up some of question about this change of state. What is change of state? The change of state is a process of change of one state. One state mean, if you know, ice to change this state to by absorption of heat to water. And so the description is the process of change from one state to another state by absorption or rejection. If the heat energy is rejected, then the condition of the water turned into ice. So here the rejection of heat at a constant temperature is called change of state. We have draw ice to water to gas when it is heated. Okay, ice is heated, ice turn into water. When water is heated, then water turn into gas. Again, when gas to water to ice, when the heat energy is rejected fully, when heat energy released or rejected, the gas turned into water and water turned into ice, and directly we know the gas turned into ice. And again, the second point is melting or fusion. The very important question: what is melting and what is melting point? What is melting? When a solid is heated, like ice is heated, it changes into its liquid at a fixed temperature. If we put some ice in the fridge, when at the condition when we put some water at the tubes in the fridge, then the ice turned into water turned into ice. When we bring back those ice from the fridge, then the ice turn into water. That is when the solid is heated, but when the heat is absorbed, when the temperature is changed, when the 0 degree centigrade temperature in the fridge and in the normal condition or normal temperature in the 30 degree centigrade temperature or 35 degree centigrade temperature normal temperature, then the heat is already solid is already turned into water or liquid. So here, when a solid is heated, it changes into liquid as a fixed temperature. It's called melting. We know the opposite state or condition of melting is freezing, and I have said that some water tubes putting their full of water and kept it in the fridge, then we know the water are turned into ice. So that is called freezing. And kept in fridge some water, that's called freezing. Then the next point is freezing. What is freezing? The change of state of substance from the liquid state to its ice on cooling by rejecting heat. That is called freezing. And then the next main point is melting point. Melting point means at which point the solid changes into liquid without further. Main topic is now melting point. What is melting point? The temperature at which a solid changes into liquid without further increase in temperature is called the melting point of the solid. We know that in 0 degree centigrade temperature or after 0 degree centigrade temperature, an ice melts to water by absorption of heat. Then the point is freezing point, the temperature at which a liquid changes into solid without further decrease in temperature is called freezing point of the liquid. In 0 degrees temperature or its below, water or liquid turned into solid or ice by the rejecting heat. We have the specific sum of the ACQ type question, and I have prepared some notes on it, and that will help all of you who watch my video in YouTube. It will already help you because it's only basics of the short notes that is easy to read it or understand it. And next point is boiling. What is boiling? When liquid is heated, it changes into vapor at a fixed temperature. That is called boiling. We know that the opposite condition of boiling is condensation. What is condensation? Next point, the vapor condensates into liquid at same fixed temperature, that is called condensation. And the next point is sublimation. What is sublimation? On heating, a solid directly changes to its vapor, that is called sublimation. The opposite condition of sublimation is deposition. What is deposition? The gases on being cooled directly changes into solid, that is called deposition. And here the some list of solid to liquid to gases. And first list is named ice. Ice is a solid, and when it is enlarged or it is absorbed, that's turned into liquids, means waters. Ice to water, water to steam. Then point is silver. Silver to chloroform to oxygen. Calcium to oil to hydrogen. Gold to honey to chlorine. Iron to glycerin to nitrogen. Sugar to nitric acid to sulfur dioxide. Aluminium to benzene to air. Today I have discussed about the change of states in matter of physics, and next day I have discussed about evaporation in matter chapter. So I have prepared on some notes. If you study on it, you get a 100% result in exam. So that's about that point. If you don't understand about any line or any my language, so you can comment in the comment box so I can understand, and so I will make my next video, and there I will understand those topics. So please connect with my YouTube channel and me by subscribing my channel if you like this video, and if you get the advantage from this video. So today it is a topic I have discussed, so I have ended this video now. Okay, thank you.